Children, let us know about the people of Africa. Which type of people are living in Africa continent? The people with different languages and lifestyles and habits live in different regions. The people with different languages, different lifestyles and different habits live in different regions of Africa continent. From ancient times, some tribal people lived in that continent. They lead their life by hunting animals and gathering food, animal husbandry. That means they rear the different types of some animals and they depend upon agriculture. From ancient times, some tribal people are living in the African continent. Small tribes are living and they depend upon hunting, by hunting animals and gathering food from forests. There are different types of products in forest area. So they collect that food for their lives and they rear the animals, some animals, and they depend upon agriculture also. Okay. Hunters inhabited equatorial region and deserts. These hunters inhabited. Where that hunters living? Hunters are inhabited in equatorial region and also in deserts. These people do agriculture on river banks. They do agriculture on river banks. Here traders from distant countries came to trade with the Africa continent. From different countries traders come to trade with the Africa continent. These traders came. Okay, next come to the Africa, Europe and Asia. That means with this Europe and Asia also, with this Europe and Asia continent, this Africa have some trading works and see here European families only with the northern coastal regions of Africa. This northern coastal regions, some European families are living in northern coastal regions of Africa. And Indian traders and Arab traders also do trading with the Africa continent. And these people are also eastern coast of Africa. They do trading with Africa in the part of eastern coast. 500 years ago, if we observe 500 years ago, Europeans began their attempts to reach India by the sea route by going around Africa. 500 years ago, Europeans began their attempts, European countries. Already we discussed about in the last lesson about European countries, and these European countries do trading on the sea route. These African people also go around on the sea to reach India by the sea route. 500 years ago only they started. In 1498, a Portuguese sailor named Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor of Africa named Vasco da Gama, went around the southern tip of Africa and reached India. He discovered one more route to reach India because these European people discovered about the sea route, where he found that sea route was a very hot region. So sometimes the sea get very hot and boiled sometimes. So this area is difficult to reach Africa continent from India. To do trading, this is very difficult for them. So a Portuguese sailor named Vasco da Gama discovered another sea route in 1498. He went around the Africa and reached India. Okay, he discovered one more sea route. And in this European country, we discussed about who discovered the sea route? Columbus. Columbus discovered the sea route. We discussed in the European country. To do trading with this continent, Africa, these Europeans discovered one sea route. But these people, those who are living in Africa continent, they found it is very difficult to reach India in that sea route. So they discovered one more sea route. Okay, in 1498, who was discovered? Portuguese. Okay, this is the people of Africa. Okay, children, which people are living in Africa? Tribal people. Okay, different languages and different lifestyle people and different inhabited people, tribal people are living in that region, and they are dependent more on hunting and gathering and on agriculture, animal husbandry. Okay, these hunters inhabited in equatorial region and deserts. Where do these people do agriculture? They do agriculture on river banks. Some people do trading with Africa continent. They come from different countries and do trading. Okay,